Guys, we got some errands to run today. I need to get a car wash and oil change, go to the bank. So let me show you my car after the road. Oh my God, it's terrible. Look how bad it is. I definitely need a car wash. It is filled with salt, so we're gonna do that. Yeah, we're gonna get some errands done. Ugh. Okay, so we made it to the bank and done with the bank. We did our little errands. Now where are we headed?
To the car wash.
Okay, we're going to the car wash now.
And the oil change place.
Which car wash?
Right there. Or you want to go?
So you're going through the drive-thru?
No, I'm about to spray it down.
They got a sprayer over there? I didn't know they had that over there.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, well, we're headed there now. Now we are at the car wash, and my husband decided to wash it himself this time. We didn't go through the drive-thru. So, old-fashioned way here. The brush. Anyway, we're doing this, and then we are headed to get a oil change. So, okay. Dollar Tree was not on my to-do today, but guess what? I'm back at Dollar Tree. So, let's see if they have anything I want, which is basically makeup.
Yeah. God, he used you, shine right through you in ways you will never know. So many ways that you'll never know. The mountain mover, bulletproof, yeah. You made me stronger. You had a faith that I'll never know. Yeah. You had a faith that I'll never know. Kings will rise and fall, bending for the fame. And seasons come and go, and time will bring some pain. But if there's one thing that I know, you will always remain the same. Yeah. No, you'll never change. No. God, he used you, shine right through you in ways you will never know. So many ways that you'll never know. Mountain mover, bulletproof, yeah. You made me stronger. You had a faith that I'll never know. You had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. The preacher said God would never give more than I could handle on my own. But I don't know if I believe that to be true. 'Cause there've been some times when I've been all alone and wanted to give up, but you helped me stand. Yeah. God, he used you, shined right through you in ways you will never know. So many ways that you'll never know. Mountain mover, bulletproof, yeah. You made me stronger. You had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. You prayed away rainy days, even kept a smile if they stayed. 'Cause either way, you stood on the rock and not on the sand. and sweet memories of all the little things you did to show me love. And you held me stand. Yeah. God, He used you, shined right through you in ways you will never know. So many ways that you'll never know. Mountain mover, bulletproof, yeah. You made me stronger. You had a faith that I'll never know. Yeah, you had a faith that I'll never know. Kings will rise and fall, bending for the fame. And seasons come and go, and time will bring some pain. But if there's one thing that I know, you will always remain the same. Yeah. No, you'll never change. No. God, He used you, shine right through you in ways you will never know. So many ways that you'll never know. Mountain mover, bulletproof, yeah. You made me stronger. You had a faith that I'll never know. You had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. The preacher said God would never give more than I could handle on my own. But I don't know if I believe that to be true. 'Cause there've been some
See, this bridal shop line is back. It's kind of cool. I think I'm gonna get, what if I get two? Let's get the pink and the white. No, I think I'm gonna get this one too. Let's do that. Okay. What I see? Super Pets. It's kind of new. And they also got more cars over here. I bought this line. If you have a car lover, the cars that they are coming out with are so cute. First motorcycle I see. Look at this motorcycle. So cute.
Kings will rise and fall, bending for the fame. And seasons come and go, and time will bring some pain. But if there's one thing that I know, you will always remain the same. Yeah. No,
We're $140.
Don't say that.
Poor.
You needed it, dang.
Oil change, oil filter, vacuum floor. What? He just cleaned
I'm
it.
gonna quit asking for full service. I'm gonna tell you the truth. I'm just gonna say a regular.
Wash exterior windows. We just did it. They did it?
Yeah, we don't need. I just give the full service. But
Maintenance free. He paying twice. We just did it. How you cleaning something that's clean?
yeah. You wanna go see? You don't want to see.
You had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. No, you had a faith that I'll never know. The preacher said